Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room, and today we are going to open the October subscription box from Sew What. I received my Sew What box for the month of October, and I wanted to share with you while I opened it. Maybe. Okay. Again, are you ready for this? Cute sticker. So not spooky. Ooh. All right. A pair of scissors. And who can't always use a pair of scissors? And this is my fabric. Ooh, cute. All right, so I've got the kitties, and you all know I love kitties. And a little toss. That's cute. I like both of those. And this month's project, pumpkin placemats. How adorable is that? So prep time 2 minutes, creation time 55. I'll need a sewing machine, scissors, and an iron. Awesome. Let's see, pins, and as always, they give you everything you need to finish this project. Oh gosh, and it's pre-cut. You know, you cannot beat that. Okay, let's do this. The first thing that I'm going to do is separate my fabric. And the first thing that it says to do is to sew your strips of fabric together. That sounds pretty simple. So let's do that. I love that this stuff is already cut out. It's awesome. And you can put it in whatever order you would like. Okay, so I'm just going to place one strip of fabric on top of the other. Sew a 1/4 inch seam. Our project is sewn together. So now I'm going to turn it inside out. Now I need to run an iron over this, and also I need to close my end. So I'm going to fold that in and top stitch. You can see I have a pin where I'm going to top stitch all the way around, and that will close this end. And when I'm done, this will be the final product. A fun fall placemat. Here are my pumpkin placemats. Aren't they adorable? I think this is my favorite project from the Sew What box subscription yet. If you like this project and are interested in subscribing to the Sew What subscription on a monthly basis, I will put a link in the description below so that you can go check out what the deal is in order for you to be able to do that. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone. Until next time, bye. Okay, I have to be honest with you. I'm straying from the chocolate today because candy corns are one of the only candies that you can only get a certain time of year. And this happens to be candy corn time. I wish someone would come up with chocolate covered candy corn, because the ones with the brown at the bottom and maybe at the top, that's not chocolate. That's fake chocolate. It's not chocolate. The chocolate of the day is not chocolate. It's candy corn. They're good though. And if you don't like candy corns, by all means, eat chocolate. Come here, Maxine. Maxine agrees with me, don't you, Maxine? Mm-hmm. Thank you for watching. Bye. Was that me? And today we are going to open the Sew What box subscription. It's a subscription box, not a box subscription. Do over. My craft room. And today we're going to make a lot of noise. And this month's, and here are my pumpkin placemats. And I shouldn't look at myself when I'm talking. Why did I even say that? So anyway, the chocolate of the day. I'm having an issue.